If you're looking to stay warm without driving up your energy bill, a smart choice is an efficient heater. The best energy-saving space heater combines powerful heating performance with low power consumption, making it perfect for homes and offices. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Dreo Space Heater. The Dreo Space Heater is a compact yet powerful heating solution designed to keep your living space warm and cozy during the colder months. This XEO testing certified space heater is crafted with V0 flame retardant materials and loaded with multiple safety features, including smart tip-over and overheat protection. A 12-hour timer, 24-hour automatic shutoff, and a sturdy flame retardant 2-prong plug enhance its overall safety profile, ensuring peace of mind with all-day use. It's important to note the safety reminder. The heater should only be plugged directly into a wall outlet and not an extension cord. With a powerful 1500W PTC ceramic heating element, the Dreo Space Heater heats up quickly, making it suitable for various indoor spaces, such as bedrooms, basements, living rooms, garages, and even offices or dormitories. It efficiently covers up to 200 square feet, delivering fast and effective warmth. The unit is impressively quiet, operating at just 40 decibels thanks to its oblique airflow technology that reduces wind noise and ensures a serene environment for sleep or work. One standout feature is its wide 70-degree oscillation, which utilizes an exclusive trackball system to distribute heat evenly throughout the room. This smooth and whisper-quiet oscillation boosts heating coverage by 20%, ensuring every corner feels equally warm. Its energy-saving Smart Eco mode, equipped with a precise temperature sensor, automatically adjusts the heater's output between 900 and 1500 W based on the ambient temperature to maintain a consistent indoor climate while conserving energy. Ease of use is another strong point for the Dreo Space Heater. Number 2. Dreo Oil-Filled Radiator. The Dreo Oil-Filled Radiator is an excellent option for anyone seeking reliable, whole-room warmth during winter. Its 360-degree heating system efficiently delivers fast and silent warmth with a 1500 W power output, enhanced by its 7 advanced fins. These fins outperformed competitors by nearly 40% in heat dispersion, ensuring a more uniform and rapid temperature increase throughout your space. This radiator heater is perfect for bedrooms, offices, and living areas where continuous and even heating is essential. Safety is a significant advantage with the Dreo Oil-Filled Radiator. It incorporates triple overheat protection, fire-resistant materials, and ETL certification for worry-free operation. Features like tilt protection, a burn-proof plug, and a comprehensive 7-layer safety inspection guaranteed peace of mind for home and office use. Users can rest assured that this heater prioritizes both performance and safety. The Dreo Oil-Filled Radiator excels in energy efficiency with its versatile 600, 900, and 1500 W settings and an Eco mode. The Eco mode uses a precise sensor and intelligent algorithms to maintain steady warmth without constant power surges, helping to reduce energy consumption and lower electricity bills. This personalized comfort feature ensures that your preferred temperature is consistently maintained without the frequent fluctuations found in other models. User convenience is enhanced with a large, clear LED display and intuitive touchscreen controls. The included remote control offers complete functionality from a distance, making it easy to adjust settings without leaving your seat. Moving the heater from room to room is simple, thanks to its large wheels and ergonomic handle. Additionally, features like child lock, mute option, and screen off mode ensure this unit is practical for family use. Number 3. Dreo Smart Wall Heater. The Dreo Smart Wall Heater stands out with its advanced features designed for both performance and convenience. Its 120-degree wide oscillation disperses warm air evenly from top to bottom, efficiently heating every corner of your room much faster than typical wall-mounted units. This heater is ideal for bedrooms, home offices, or supplemental heat in living areas. What truly sets this model apart is its smart technology integration. Users can schedule heating times, adjust settings remotely via the Dreo app, or use voice commands through Alexa and Google Home compatibility.
The temperature range is impressively customizable, from 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, with a precise 1 degree Fahrenheit increment setting. The rapid PTC ceramic heating ensures steady, reliable warmth tailored to personal comfort preferences. Sleep-friendly features include an automatic LED panel brightness adjustment and whisper quiet operation, providing warmth without disturbing your rest. Its low-noise fan ensures a peaceful night's sleep or undisturbed productivity during work hours. The heater also includes a reusable filter, making maintenance simple and hassle-free. Installation is designed for convenience with a clear template and detailed guide included for easy wall mounting. The unit's heating coverage efficiently warms up to 200 square feet as a primary source and can supplement heating for areas up to 750 square feet.
Number 4. Dreo IP24 Wall Heater. The Dreo IP24 wall heater stands out as a sleek, modern solution for anyone seeking reliable, quiet, and energy-efficient heating for their living spaces. Designed with a powerful PTC heating system and an optimized airflow setup, this heater is capable of delivering strong warmth at an impressive airflow speed of 11.5 feet per second. Despite its high performance, it operates at a whisper-quiet 28 decibels, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or study areas where a peaceful environment is crucial. One of its standout features is the 30-degree manual oscillation, allowing you to direct heat exactly where you need it. This ensures a well-distributed, even warmth throughout your room. Smart control capabilities elevate its convenience, letting you operate the heater through the included remote control, the Dreo app, or voice commands via Alexa. This makes adjusting settings from across the room or even without getting up a hassle-free experience. The precise eco mode lets you maintain your ideal room temperature while optimizing power consumption, ensuring energy-efficient operation. Built-in overheat protection, and an IP24 waterproof rating, making it a secure choice for various home spaces. Its easy installation process is another plus, with a template provided for straightforward wall mounting. Number 5. Lasko Oscillating Heater. The Lasko Oscillating Heater is a reliable and versatile choice for anyone in need of a convenient, no-fuss space heater that's both portable and efficient. This tower-style heater comes fully assembled right out of the box, so it's ready to use within minutes, no tools or complicated setup required. Featuring 2 quiet heat settings, high and low, alongside an adjustable thermostat, it offers a simple yet effective way to maintain a comfortable temperature in any room. The optional widespread oscillation ensures warm air is distributed evenly throughout the space, preventing cold spots and creating a cozy environment. With its 23-inch height and compact 7-inch width, the Lasko heater fits easily into tight corners or beside a sofa without taking up too much floor space. Built-in safety features like overheat protection and a cool touch exterior provide peace of mind even if the heater is left running for extended periods. ETL listed for safety compliance, it stands as a dependable option for bedrooms, offices, or living rooms. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.